What's up, guys? Viper FPV here, and today we have more online sales. So it's Cyber Monday. Some of the online retailers have already kind of shared what their Cyber Monday sales are. So I'm going to be combining a list on a Google Drive down below with all the FPV retailers with codes and coupons. And I'll be updating the list as the sale goes on and I get more retailers and get more information. But I do know when I first started off in FPV, it was kind of tight getting all the, the goggles, the radio, all the components you need for a quadcopter. And this time of the year, it really is a good time to go ahead and pick up components if you're looking to build maybe your first quadcopter or just kind of upgrade some of the stuff you already have. But without further ado, I'm going to let you guys go. But links down in the video description. But this is Viper FPV, and I'll see you guys in a future video real soon. Peace.